Hello everyone.
Hi.
Do you know that choosing the right elementary is an important first step for a chill future?
That's absolutely true. Elementary school is not only a place to learn reading, writing, and mathematics, but also a place to build character. Therefore, the parents highly want to choose a school that provides a mental and high quality learning environment.
Get admission, school should be able to students avoid their school interest and talent in from early age.
Now we will you to introduce SD Muhammadiyah 18 Palembang.
Let's go! SD Muhammadiyah 18 Palembang, also known as SD Muhdalas, is one of the leading private elementary school in Palembang. The school has been accredited with an grade A and remains committed to providing the best education for its students.
SD Muhammadiyah 18 Palembang is located at Jalan Kebun Bunga number 1516 Palembang. Its safe and comfortable environment support an effective learning process. In addition, this school also offers competitive tuition fees and that are commensurate with the quality of education and facility provided to students.
The school focuses not only on academic achievement but also on character building, discipline, and Islamic value. As a result, students can develop both the knowledge and personal character in balanced way.
At SD Muhammadiyah 18 Palembang, students learn in an active and enjoyable environment. Teacher guides students to become disciplined, creative, and responsible individuals.
In addition to gain academic knowledge, students are encouraged to practice positive values in their daily life. This helps them develop strong character from an early age.
In today's global era, English has become one of the most important skills to learn from an early age. Therefore, SD Muhammadiyah 18 Palembang provides English lessons for its students.
Besides classroom learning, students can also join the English club. Through this activity, they can practice speaking, expand their vocabulary, and building confidence in using English.
To support student interest and talent, SD Muhammadiyah 18 Palembang offer a variety of exciting outdoor activities.
There are compulsory extracurricular activities such as Kapaksuku, martial arts, and Hizbullah scouting, which help students develop discipline and strong characters.
In addition, students can choose from several optional extracurricular activities, including English club, tilawah, coding, calligraphy, and support teams. This activity provides opportunity for students to develop their potential to the fullest.
SD Muhammadiyah 18 Palembang is not just a place to study.
It is also a place to grow and develop. Here, students are guided to become intelligent, well-rounded, and high-achieving individuals.
With a comfortable environment and various supportive programs, students have the opportunity to reach their full potential.
So join SD Muhammadiyah 18 Palembang and achieve a bright future with us.
Let's join us!